like a decluttering series on my channel, and this is finally the last one until January. And I'm so excited because I went through my products, my makeup, my clothing, my activewear, and it feels so good to finally just have everything decluttered. And today is the hardest one and the saddest one because this is my activewear declutter. I have been wanting some new activewear for a long time, so it's finally time for me to get rid of some so I can make room for the new things that are coming in. Now, by all means, I know I post a lot of videos saying maybe this was in my top leggings, maybe I really loved it when it came in. All of my opinions are probably still the same about the items. It's just, it's been a while. People change, I wear them day to day, and I kind of just want some new things. I took everything out of my gym bag. I took everything out of the hamper. I took everything out of my wardrobe so I could go through all of it, and I started going through piece by piece. There's a couple pieces still in my wardrobe that I'm kind of iffy about keeping, but I'm hoping that because I decluttered some of these items, I will be able to really want to wear some items that I kept. There were some items that I thought, well, maybe I'll wear it. Maybe I just didn't have like the time, or I didn't have the mindset to wear it, so I thought I'd give it another shot. But I honestly just went through like, do I wear this? No. Do I feel confident in this? No. Do I feel good in this? No. And if it didn't make me feel good, if I always thought, no, I don't want to wear it, then it's time to go. I feel like the one thing that I noticed with this haul was I started to get rid of a lot of items that were on trend in the summer, and I need to not do that again. I need to basically just get myself one thing that is trendy, wear it, wear it, wear it, and when the trend dies down, then I can just get rid of the one piece, not the whole collections and sets and this and that. No, because at the end of the day, a trend, it will die, but your basics will stay a basic. And I don't have very many basics now, and I don't have very many basics because I would just jump on the like trends. So that's about that. But anyway, let's get into this declutter. So the very first thing, I would highly recommend Old Navy for activewear. Honestly, if you don't want to spend an arm and a leg on activewear, you really do not have to. You could get some really good things at Old Navy. I think it's a hit or miss. These here were the ones with the holes in them. I absolutely loved these. I think they served their purpose. I think if you wanted something that had those mesh holes in the eyelets in them, you could definitely get an affordable pair from Old Navy. The only reason why I'm getting rid of them is only because I really wish I got a size small. I feel like for their leggings, I personally would rather size up just to have a little bit of room, only because they have a band in them, and anything that has a band in them, I prefer a size small, and I really started to notice that lately. So I would highly recommend these. Like I always said, that's why I kept talking about them. Definitely check out Old Navy. I just wish I would have gotten a size small. I'm including this because it's from Gymshark. This here is a bralette, and in all honesty, for the amount of paid, I'm just not a fan of this at all. I think I could have gotten something a lot better, even with a little bit more support or cuter or something from somewhere else. This here is a size extra small. Why am I holding it like that? The thing about this is you can really just see through it. I know they don't normally have support, but there's no support to it, and the bands here, they like crinkle up, they wrinkle up, and I just don't like it. Not just that, I'm able to feel like this part in my back. I don't like that at all. This was just a miss for me. I wish I would have returned it because I had that feeling and I knew I didn't really want it, but I kept it and I really shouldn't have. But now I learned my lesson. If I don't like it, return it. The next thing here, this is from Lululemon. The only reason why I'm getting rid of this is because it's the Swiftly top, and every single time I try and wear it, it's just too big. I've tried shrinking it, nothing is working. It's a size 4. I really wish I would have gotten a size 2. This is stunning. I love it. If it was a little bit smaller, I would have kept it, but it's not, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Oh, but I love their Swiftly tops. I would highly recommend them. Just make sure to size down, only because they are a little bit bigger. When camo was a trend, I went on the camo trend. I don't know why, but I got this hoodie here. It's from Under Armour. and I thought I would have wore it. It's a boys extra large, I believe, and I don't know, I'm done with the camo, so I'm kind of done with this. I only wore it a couple times, so I'm just gonna pass this along because I'm done with the camo. Another thing from Gymshark, these are the flex leggings. I'm getting rid of these because I've had them for a while and I am tired of low-rise leggings. I like high-rise leggings. And as much as I like these, I also don't like them at the same time just because they're not high-rise. So I know I included them in, I think, my top 5 leggings video, but I would still recommend them if you like low-rise. But there's so many pairs of leggings that I want. So I feel like these are just going to take up room in my collection and I'm not going to wear them again. And in all honesty, every single time that I wear these, I just don't feel as confident because they're not high rise. So I'm going to get rid of them, but I do like them. I just wish they were high rise. I know they have high rise ones, and I think I'm going to get myself a pair. The next thing here, this is from Jed North. This is the Hata top. Anyway, this here is so cute. It's a beautiful, stunning purple. I love this top so much. The only thing is, I feel like when I wear a top like this, it's almost like useless in my opinion. I'd rather just wear a sports bra that has the same amount of length, the same amount of coverage, and not have to put this over a sports bra, just because then it almost feels like I'm wearing too much. And I've even sized up in these tops, like these types of tops, and I always think the same thing, like I might as well just buy myself a good sports bra that's like this style and I'll be happy with it. So I'm gonna get rid of it. But if you like those tops, I'd say get them from Jed North because they're very affordable. The next pair here are from Squat Wolf. I love Squat Wolf. I love Squat Wolf so much. And I really wish I would have gotten these in a size small, only because of the band. That's the only reason why. If I would have gotten them in a size small, they would have fit me so much better. But I didn't, so I'm gonna pass these along. But I really wish I would have gotten them in small, because if I would have gotten them small, I would have kept them. But they're an amazing material. They're so comfortable. I even tried to wear them again, and I tried to make them work, and I tried to roll them. But sometimes when something's just not your size, you need a bigger size. You need to bite the bullet. So I really do want to get some more things from Squat Wolf in a size small. I don't know if I should have included this in my clothing declutter or what, but this was from like Licenza, and I thought I was going to wear this. And I never did, and the tags are still on it, and it was part of like the activewear collection. By all means, they have good activewear stuff, and if this was your style, you would probably really like it. But I just not into like the whole eyelets anymore. Of course, I still have like my staple pieces, or sometimes online it's like those are really nice, but to have a whole collection of it, no. So I don't need this anymore. I'm gonna pass it along. Why I bought it in the first place, I don't know. I thought it was a look, but so that is it. That is all my pieces that I'm getting rid of. So let me know in the comments down below your favorite place to get activewear from, because I am going to be doing some shopping soon to get some new clothing. I know I have Gymshark, I have Alpha Elite, I have a couple places in mind, and I want to do thrifting for gym clothing. So let me know in the comments down below what I should do. Make sure to give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and ring that bell to be notified when I upload next. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.